Hi everyone, hi again. I hope everyone is well. This is Miss Palomino from Highlandtown Elementary Middle School number 237. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020, and this is Middle School ESOL. All right, let's get started. So yesterday was Monday, May 11th, 2020. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020, and tomorrow will be Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. So the weather in Baltimore today, the high temperature will be 61 degrees, the low temperature will be 43 degrees, and it will be partly cloudy. So just to remind everyone, para recordarles, schools are closed for the academic year. Schools are closed for the academic year. Las escuelas están cerradas por todo el año escolar. So that means that we will not return to school this academic year. Maybe we will return in September, but we do have to wait to see what the government says. Entonces, no vamos a regresar a la escuela este año escolar, tal vez en septiembre, pero tenemos que esperar lo que dice el gobierno. But schools are closed for the academic year. No vamos a regresar a la escuela este año. All right, so you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. So just like we do in school every day, we're going to do dictation. I will spell 3 words for you, and you will write what you hear. So on your paper, you'll write the date, May 12th, 2020, dictation. 1, 2, 3. Voy a deletrear 3 palabras y vas a escribir lo que escuchas. All right, number 1 is S-E-E. Number 2, H-E-A-R. Number 3, S-M-E-L-L. So number 1, S-E-E, C. Number 2, H-E-A-R, here. Number 3, S-M-E-L-L, smell. See, hear, smell. See, see, see. See significa ver. See. Hear, hear, hear. Hear significa oír. Hear. Smell, smell, smell. Smell significa oler. All right, so today our objective is I can describe how I feel using a sentence frame. Yo puedo describir cómo me siento utilizando a sentence frame. I can describe how I feel using a sentence frame. So today we are going to listen, we are going to speak, we are going to read, we are going to write, we are going to text or email a photo of our work to Miss Palomino, o también hay otra opción. We are going to turn in our work on Google Classroom. Entonces, es lo que prefieres, pero puedes mandarme una foto del trabajo que escribiste o también puedes escribir con el documento que está en Google Classroom y pueden entregar este documento. Es lo que prefieres. All right, but your paper will look like this. So the date, Tuesday, May 12th, 2020, with 2 lists, dos listas. 1, positive emotions, emociones positivos. Happy, excited, son 2 ejemplos de emociones positivos. Negative emotions, sick, enferma o enfermo, angry, enojado, enojada. Negative emotions, emociones negativos. Y al final, quiero saber cómo te sientes hoy. So today I feel, y quiero saber 3 emociones que te sientes hoy. So today I feel, ¿cuáles emociones? Por lo menos 3. All right, so this is what your paper will look like. Vas a entregar algo que parece así. All right, so the first emotion, bored, 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 bored. Annoyed, 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 annoyed. Happy, 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 happy. Sad, 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 sad. Curious, 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 curious. Confused, 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 confused. Tired, 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 tired. Sleepy, 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 sleepy. Nervous, 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 nervous. Scared, 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 scared. Angry, 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 angry. Stressed, 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 stressed. Sick, 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 sick. In love, in love, in love, in love. Embarrassed, 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 embarrassed. Surprised, 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 surprised. Hungry, 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 hungry. Thirsty, 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 thirsty. Depressed, 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 depressed. Silly, 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 silly. All right, so we learned 20 words today. Bored, annoyed, happy, sad, curious, depressed, confused, tired, sleepy, nervous, scared, thirsty, surprised, angry, stressed, sick, silly, in love, hungry, embarrassed. So your paper should look something like this. Tu papel debe parecer algo así. So to list 1 positive emotions, 1 negative emotions. Y van a poner estas palabras en estas 2 listas. ¿Cuáles de estas palabras son positivos o positivas y cuáles de estas palabras son negativas? So positive emotions and negative emotions. Y al final Quiero saber cómo te sientes hoy. Entonces vas a escribir Today I feel y quiero saber 3 emociones que te sientes hoy. Por ejemplo, Today I feel sleepy, hungry, and happy. Today I am happy. Today I feel sleepy, hungry, and happy. So you can turn in your work on Google Classroom. Hay un documento en Google Classroom donde puedes escribir las respuestas y puedes entregar el documento por Google Classroom. O es lo que prefieres, también puedes tomar una foto del papel donde escribiste. You can take a photo of your work and send the photo by email or by WhatsApp to Miss Palomino. Es lo que prefieres. All right, so if you have questions or want to talk, you can call or text Miss Palomino from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All right, I hope you have a good day. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.